This 2022 Forest River Sabre 37 FLL is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Bunker Hill, Indiana, 46914 and is offered for sale by RV Dynasty. This new Forest River is 42 feet 0 inches in length and features 4 slideouts, sleeps 8, slideout, and 49 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front entertainment, front living area, loft, rear bedroom. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by RV Dynasty, visit RVUSA.com.